What are dialectics? The idea of dialectics is central to dialectical behavioral therapy, so it's important to know what that is. So, dialectics is about holding seemingly opposite ideas as true at the same time. So, another way to grasp this is to think of it as replacing the word but with and. So, it's a lot easier to understand with examples. So, here's what I mean: I love you and I'm angry with you. I depend on you for survival and you are threatening my survival. I don't like this situation and I can accept it. I don't agree with X political views and I have friends who believe that way. I really like my work and I'm overwhelmed and underpaid. I feel betrayed by what you did and I understand the choice that you made. This is the opposite of being closed minded or having black and white thinking. To do the skill well, you need a lot of other DBT and RODBT skills like observe, non judgmental, radical acceptance, wise mind, middle path, effective, and body scan. Isn't necessarily with this one, but probably brings out the nuances that you might miss if you leave it out. And if you're not familiar with those other skills, check out the DBT RODBT playlist for those. Now, when you are practicing being dialectical, you're being holistic and you're on the path to becoming wise because you're avoiding emotional reasoning, narrow mindedness, and opening to accepting conflicting ideas. This is a good thing because life is in black and white. Being dialectical also isn't about those polypositive type of attitudes with rose colored glasses. So it's not about looking at the bright side, it's about looking at the dark and bright side and valuing each equally. This might sound like you can't take a stand or make a decision because you're on the middle path, and that's not true either. You can decisively say, I like vanilla and chocolate, or I am on a healing journey and I'm not interested in that strategy, or I do love you and I can't stay married to you. So let me show you the difference between I do love you, but I can't stay married to you, and I do love you and I can't stay married to you, because it's subtle but powerful. So the first statement, I do love you, but I can't stay married to you, implies that loving you means staying married to you. So it may seem as if I'm going against myself, going against you, maybe going against the rules to make that choice. When I say I do love you and I can't stay married to you, all those arguments go away because I've given each statement validity. I can now walk away with my dignity and values intact. See the difference? It's wise because it honors my intellectual reasoning and my emotions. And one of the wonderful things that being dialectical does is it gets rid of enemies and heroes. Everyone can have a seat at the table because we're all complicated people with a variety of beliefs, behaviors, and nuances. And this makes it harder to go to war, doesn't it? It makes it easier to negotiate, doesn't it? Wouldn't you find peace easier to imagine if you saw everyone as having legitimate and complicated needs and feelings? For people whose greatest enemy is themselves, this opens the door for compassion for yourself. It's possible to be cruel and compassionate. We can be hurt by people and still understand them. So perhaps we can also understand the hurtful things that we have done and give compassion to ourselves. When we get away from judging, blaming, and categorizing things as good as or bad, it's a lot easier to focus on what's effective. When we are dialectical, we move away from judging and punishment and towards acceptance and moving forward in a way that creates repairs, progress, and a return to unity. Focusing on things we can't change makes it a lot more likely that we will feel stuck and embattled. Dialectical thinking is about acceptance and changing what we can change, connecting on what we can connect. Being dialectical moves you from child consciousness to adult consciousness, where you aren't living from your wounded self, you're living from your wise self. When you are here, you're more adaptable and resilient. Your compassion and empathy grows. It's easier to be responsive rather than reactive, so the drama in your life becomes non-existent. You have more emotional intelligence as well as intellectual wisdom. You become more creative and are able to think more quickly and outside of the box. You become solution-oriented rather than problem-oriented. And if you know anyone who complains a lot, you know what a drain it is to be in that energy. Some of the most fun people that I enjoy being around are growth-oriented. Being dialectical makes you growth-oriented, and challenges become exciting because it's a way to be creative and level up yet again. You also feel more powerful and take responsibility for your life because you feel more freedom and skill. Your life is also more peaceful because the wild swings go away. If this sounds appealing and you want some help with it, subscribe to the channel. I post new DBT and RODBT videos all the time. If you want accountability so you can learn and grow in a supported online environment, join my online DBT group. I promise you, you will love the change in you.